All right, everyone, welcome back. I am doing section 2.2, and here we go. So adding and subtracting radical expressions. So let's begin by doing the get started, simplifying sums and differences of radical expressions. So let's take a look at this one. All right, let's do this first. Okay, so what do you notice? Well, we have 2x and negative 3x, so that would be, oops, sorry. Okay, so this and this would give you negative x, right? While negative 3y plus y would be negative 2y, all right? 4 minus 3 is plus 1. There you go. Next one. So negative 4x minus negative 2x. So this one becomes negative 4x plus 2x, right? So I am doing the distributive property here, and then I'm rearranging them just to be safe. And then what? 5y minus 3y, all right, plus 2 plus 1. Yeah, okay. So now I can simplify negative 2x plus 2y plus 3, all right? Next one. So here again, you have to do the distributive property. So let's do this first. So the 2 would be multiplied to everything inside this bracket. I will have 2x plus 4y minus 4 minus 3x plus 3y minus 3. Okay? 2x minus 3x is negative x. 4y plus 3y is 7y. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. So there you have it for the first three get started questions. All right? So let's move on to the first check your understanding. We're going to be simplifying radical expressions. So let's look at the first one. This one. They have the same radicand, so we just look at the coefficients here, and then we're good. All right. So that would be 9 minus 5 is 4 root of 5. There we go. The next one. What do you notice here? The radicand is 24, 192, and 375. All of them are different. But what's nice though is that all of them have an index of 3. All right. So what if we try to rewrite these and see if whatever mixed radical we can come up with, we can eventually um, add them up or simplify them together. All right. Now, cube root of 24 is what? Cube root of 24 would be cube root of 8 times 4, or 8 times 3, sorry. I chose 8 because 8 has a cube root. Minus, what is cube root of 92? Well, let's look at what it is that could have a 3 as a factor. Well, that would be 64 times 3. All right. Minus, what about 375? That would be 125 times 3. All right. By doing it this way, now the cube root of 8 is 2. So I have 2 cube root of 3. 64 has a cube root, which is 4, minus 4 cube root of 3. 125 has a cube root, which is 5, minus 5 cube root of 3. So that would be 2 minus 4 minus 5. That would be negative 7 cube root of 3. So the trick here, as you can see, was to rewrite all three radicals into mixed radicals and hope that we will have like terms in the end, which means that we would have the same root of something. All right. It turns out like this, which is good. Now, it doesn't always turn out to be like that, just like in the Next example. So here, root of 63, let's rewrite that because all of these have square roots, but then they have different radicands. So maybe we can see what we can come up with as a mixed radical. And then in the end, let's see which right like terms we can put together. So root of 63 would be root of 9 times 7, right? Root of 40 would be um, 8. Um, if it's 8 times 5, that's not going to be good. So I'll try 4 times 10. All right, before it has, because 4 has a square root. While 90 has 9 and 10. All right. While 28 would be 4 times 7. What do you notice? This one has a 7 and this one. Okay. This has a 10 and this one. So let's simplify. Let's say root of 9 times 7 would be 3 root of 7. 4 root of 10 would be plus 2 root of 10. Negative 9 root of 10 would be minus 3 root of 10. While minus root of 4 times 7 would be minus 2 root of 7. Okay. So which ones are the like terms? This and this. Yeah. So 3 minus 2 would be root of 7. Okay. 2 root of 10 minus 3 root of 10 would be negative root of 10. And I would like you to do this page 107, number 4C as your practice work. Okay. Thanks for watching.